So I'm discussing about that how to promote your website using Pinterest. The Pinterest purpose of drive traffic through images. Suppose anyone users is going to Google searching for this summer training. The search engine will be showing for news, all images, videos, or etc. If you go image pattern, if anybody click the your image, they're going to wear your website. That is called drive your traffic through images. So how to optimize my images? That is called image marketing. That is called image marketing. So first we can optimize your website using for on page and off page. So how to optimize my website images? How to index on Google my images when searching my keywords? Suppose my website is architect solution. You can easily index my images. When searching my keyword, digital marketing training, digital marketing company, or website design development company, or mobile design development company, Hyderabad, or Madhapur, any kind of place, when searching, my images will be showing for Google. That is called, you can optimize my images on Google search engine. So, by working for news portal website, daily you can submit for so many news. What is the common point? News. If anybody searching for latest news, my email will optimize for the top one position. The position give for Pinterest toolbar. Now here, this is my website. Go to services. I'm targeting only for one URL, several images. This is my targeting link. This link we can target for the multiple images. First of all, we can install for Pinterest toolbar. That is called go to Google. The option call is Pinterest toolbar. Now this option, right click. First install for your toolbar. That is called your browser extension. Now select here. The option call is add to Chrome. The function will be not working. Reason is smaller install. Once install this option, the button will be not working. So here just the button install here. Now just go to Pinterest.com first is a website. Here Pinterest.com is a universal. If you go India, in.pinterest.com. Why? Because they indicate for India. This is called. Now here, first of all, we can log in your Google or Facebook, or you can sign up with your email and password. Now this one. See here, these are your boards. Boards are nothing but your keywords. Suppose you can promote your website for particular keyword. How to promote? That is called your boards. Boards are nothing but your keywords. Now here, see the screen. Actors, something here. News will be there. Latest news 2018 images are there. So this one. What is my target keyword? Web design development in Hyderabad. But my target keyword is copy. Go to Pinterest. Here, what is called? Create a board. Select your name. Clicking for company. Click for create my board done. After that, click for edit my board. Select your description. Now you can adding for this category. So, and here, see this one, last one. Collaborator, learn more. We can invite to the individual persons. Is not my members. I'm sending to request. Join my group. About for website design development. See here, I'm searching for web. Just I'm adding for this persons. See, I'm sending for request. Web design. See, the keyword will be no members are using. Just see. Done here. Just what I'm using for name, description. You can using for category. Just last one here. What is that? Delete, archive, merge. Last will be cancel, save. Before that, if your board will be going to private boards, only for your company purpose, only for your company purpose. That is called here secret groups. That is called private groups. So my group will be public purpose. So I'm clicking for disable this option. If you go private, enable this option. So I'm go to the public. Just click for disable. Now click for save. Board was created here. This is your boards. Now you are refresh. Now here, if adding any options, that is called two option. What is that? Upload a pin, save from website. Here you can optimize your board. What is my board name? Web Design and Development Company, Hyderabad. See the screen? Just go to your website, click for Pinterest toolbar or else just come to your image. What is the option called is save. Click the save option. Now just look here where we will give the web design development company in Hyderabad. See the screen. Is it clear? Now click for save. Now just come back. Go to your this board. We have anything manual here? Nothing. Just we can go to the option, click for Pinit toolbar, save option, add in the board. Now refresh. Done. Now see this. Edit. Done. What is that? Title. What the section will be? Nothing. The description will be called your meta description. What is called? The website. Title done. Description done. Website done. Optimize or not. The website will be optimized. Now each website we can have only one images. But URL will be one, image will be one. But my target is one URL, multiple images. One URL, multiple images. First of all, copy this URL. See this careful. One image is already added. Yes or no? I can copy the same URL. Where I'm go to the Pinterest. Click for option call is upload pin. Select your website. So I'm selecting here image. Done. Click for save. Same here. How many images I'm optimized here? Two images. Just here. Done. Close. Same. Same URL. I'm optimized for the two images. Next here, look the screen. Click for pin. Upload pin. Image upload here. Select another image. We can go with this another image here. I'm writing for name here. Three are different images. Link will be same. Why? I'm optimizing my link will be multiple images only for one link. Suppose in your website, we're using for Pinterest toolbar, select your image, click for save, select your exact your category. Next we'll be doing for now. Select here, click this one, upload a pin. So here the question is race. So your website will be very easy. We can add the images, we can find it for the optimize. How to optimize on the videos? How to market on the videos? That is called just here. I can go to your YouTube channel. Now here, select this option. Right click. Open this video. Is it clear? Now, what that? Select this YouTube URL. Careful watch. Select your YouTube URL. Go to Pinterest toolbar. Option call is plus. The option call, what is that? Save from website. Copy this URL. Click for done. Is it clear? This is my thumbnail. Click for save. Select for save. This will be another image. Click for save and click for save. Here they display by two images. First image will be called our YouTube thumbnail image. Second will be called your complete channel image here. So just here I can go option will be here back. Refresh. One. Just some refresh page here. 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If anybody click this option, just click for YouTube. See the screen. They go to particular YouTube video channel here. Is it clear? This is one. In a YouTube video, we can promote how many ways? We can promote by two images. Is the first and second. Suppose we can promote through images. Just copy this URL. Where plus option call is upload pin. Select your image. So you can select by another image here. Just back. You can select the any one image. Copy this URL. You can optimize for this option. Click for. Now click for done. Any procedure will be changed for website and video. Nothing will be changed. Video will be thumbnail is one. Website image will be one. But we can use it for different images. Promote our website and YouTube's. One is called Pinterest toolbar. Second thing will be go to pin. Upload your pin. Pin nothing but your images. Select your images. Add your URL. Add your title. Click for save. See this one. This 3 will be YouTube. 3 will be website. URL will be 1. Image will be 3. Here. URL will be 1. Image will be 3. Is it clear? One URL, multiple images. That is called image optimization for your using Pinterest. That is called image marketing. Is it clear? That is called we can optimize your images using with the Pinterest toolbar. That is called drive your traffic on your website. Here very important option call is set your boards. Boards nothing but relevant keywords. Which people searching for on Google. See this one. Just come to here. See here. Let's go to images. Look this one. Already my image will optimize. Yes or no? See this one. See, these all images. In this, few more images optimized through my website. That is my role. That is we can using for Pinterest toolbar. Board is called your keyword. Remain all you adding for your website links and with multiple images. YouTube link we can add multiple images. That is called drive on your traffic. Multiple image on particular YouTube website and YouTube and website. That is called traffic generation through images. That is called image marketing.